How to set slow-mo video quality Ultra HD or Full HD on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on More. After click on More, you will see slow motion is here. Click on slow motion and you will select you will select Full HD and Ultra HD. So you will select Full HD and hold phone and start video. You will see. After make video, go back and click on Gallery app and click on video. You will see slow-mo video is here. If you want to after make slow-mo video, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set slow-mo video quality Ultra HD or Full HD on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.